Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. But before that, let me know, is my voice audible to you all? Then please write yes in the comment box. Okay? So thank you so much for your quick response. So how are you all? All good? Okay, very good. So before we start our class, let me tell you how can you join in our live class. Okay, so it's very easy. So you just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Okay, so here are some rules of our live class, and that is just you have to answer the questions which is asked, and that should be only on the comment box or chat box. Okay, and secondly, don't chat with each other as usual. You know, if you start chatting with each other, then you will feel problem while watching the video. Okay, so finally, it's a special request to all of you that only you should have to make your notes after watching the video. Okay, as you know that this is a permanent video, you can find anytime in YouTube. So after watching the video, you can watch again, and after that you can make the special notes. Okay, so as I have informed you before that Aveti Learning provides you free spoken English class and free coding class for which you can easily gain the knowledge of spoken English and coding. So don't waste your time and start your registration. Our registration line is open. So here are some links. So the registration for coding class, and the link is https colon double slash bit.ly slash Aveti coding class, and the registration for spoken English class is https colon double slash bit.ly slash Aveti spoken English. Okay. So now I am sharing a screen. Here you can see that so many students are joined in our spoken English class. So this is the screen of our previous spoken English class. So about 100 students have joined in this live class, and already thousands, more than thousands of students have already registered. Okay, so why you are so late? So you also do register as soon as possible, and if you want to be seen live, so it's up to you. You can register, and you can attend our spoken English classes. And if you want to talk directly with our spoken English madam, then it's a golden opportunity, so don't try to lose it. Okay, so go for it. So in our last class, we have discussed about the use of singular verb. Okay, so we are continuing with subject verb agreement, and here is the quiz session. So let's start. So you should have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs choosing from the brackets. Okay, so the first one is a herd of cows dash grazing in the field, and the verb given in the bracket is or are. Okay, so what will be the right answer? Option A. A herd of cows are grazing in the field. A herd of cows is grazing in the field. So what will be the right answer? Quickly answer. It's very important. So there are some phrases like a herd of, a congregation of, congregation it means a group. Okay, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a regiment of, etc. So we have discussed before that they usually take singular verb. Okay, so here two verbs are there, is and are. Which is the singular verb? Yes, all of you have given the right answer after getting the clue. No, no, no. Before I have given you the clue, all of you have already answered. Very good. So the answer is a herd of cows is grazing in the field. Okay, a herd of cow is grazing in the field. Okay, as we know that the reason is the phrase is beginning with a congregation of, a crowd of, a flock of, a group of, a herd of, etc. usually take a singular verb in spite of the fact the noun after of is plural. So here you can see the noun is cow, cows, and it is after of, and cows is plural. Okay, so whatever it takes singular verb. Okay, so is the right answer. A herd of cows is grazing in the field. Okay, so let's move on to question number 2. Economics dash not an easy subject, and the verb given in the bracket is or are. So what will be the right answer? Economics are not an easy subject. Economics is not an easy subject. What will be the right answer? Quick, 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 quick. Don't waste your time with chatting with each other. Just you should have to focus on your study. Okay. So economics, it is a subject, right? So sometimes we thought that if a word finished with s, then that should be plural. But all the time it is not true. So statistics, news, mathematics, physics, economics, information, jewelry, scenery, all are uncountable nouns. So they take which kind of verb? Singular verb or plural verb? Yes, yes, so quickly and so fast you have answered. Yes, yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is economics is not an easy subject. Okay, economics is not an easy subject. As we have discussed before, statistics, mathematics, physics, economics, news, measles, mumps, advice, information, jewelry, scenery. These are uncountable nouns. Okay, we cannot count them because these are some subjects. Okay, and some things that cannot be counted. So they take singular verb. Okay, so here the answer is economics is not an easy subject. Is the right answer. Clear? So move on to question number 3. What I want to buy dash a motorcycle, and the verb given in the bracket is or are. What will be the right answer? Option A. What I want to buy is a motorcycle. Option B. What I want to buy are a motorcycle. What will be the right answer? What will be the right answer? ମୁଁ ଯାହା କିଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାହା ହେଉଛି ଏକ ମୋଟରସାଇକଲ। ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି ଇଜ୍ ର ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେବ ନା ଆର୍ ର ବ୍ୟବହାର ହେବ? So, as we have discussed in our previous class, that if the subject of a sentence is a clause, the verb is singular. So, which kind of verb should be used? Yes, all of you have given the right answer. What I want to buy is a motorcycle. Okay, if the subject of a sentence is a clause, clause means a sentence or a part of sentence. Okay, here what I want to buy is a clause. Okay, it is a dependent clause. Okay, so the verb is always singular. So here is the right answer. Okay, so now let's move on to question number 4. The United Nations dash an international organization. And the option is or are. The United Nations is an international organization, or the United Nations are an international organization. What will be the right answer? United Nations. What will be the right answer? So, United Nations means it is a collective unit. Okay, so it is also a proper noun, proper name of a single object. Okay, so what will be the right answer? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is the United Nations is an international organization. So when, and the reason is when the plural noun is a proper name. So United Nations means there are so many nations are there. Okay, so for some single object or for some collective unit, so United Nations is a collective unit, collection of some countries. So it requires a singular verb. Okay, so let's move on to question number 5. A bunch of keys dash lying on the table. A bunch of keys lying on the table. What will be the right answer? The verb given in the bracket is or are. Option A. A bunch of keys is lying on the table. A bunch of keys are lying on the table. Quickly answer, don't chat with each other. A bunch of keys. Several keys are there, but it is a bunch. So bunch means a number of things. Okay, typically of same kind. Okay, so there are a bunch of keys means several types of or same types of keys are in a bunch. माने पेंथा गोटे चाबी मालो जो आमे कहू हैला. So what will be the right answer? Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is a bunch of key is lying on the table. So as we have discussed before, a pair of, a sheet of, a piece of, a pair of scissors, a pair of shoes, a herd of, a group of, a crowd of, a flock of, similarly, a bunch of, etc. Take a singular verb. Okay. So students, I'm so happy that you all of you have participated so well and so quickly you were answering that it is really an impressive moment. And so today is this much. So we are having so many assignments for you. So when you are doing such assignments, then you can write the answer and send it to our WhatsApp group. So here you can see our WhatsApp group for several classes from class 5 to class 10. So you can click this link and send your answer. Okay. Further, if you are having such type of queries or any kind of doubts, any kind of questions related to your topic, then you can ask us through our Aveti official WhatsApp number, and that is 7894040614. Okay. So let me tell you that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to ODIA medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in a new session with some new questions, with some new content, with some new rules and regulations, with some new quiz session. Okay, till then, don't go anywhere. Ask your friends to join Aveti Learning. Do join in our live classes. Do register in our spoken English classes and coding classes, which are absolutely free for you. And keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with Aveti Learning. Thank you.